Hi, welcome to At Home with Dia. Today, we just got the keys to this 800 square foot apartment. It's small, but comes with some challenges. This is where we will be calling home for about 6 months until our new build house is finished. So, let me show you around. Come on in. This rental might be small, but I'm determined to make it feel like home. Even though it's temporary, I still want it to be beautiful, functional, and true to my style. Of course, with a smaller footprint come a few design challenges, but those are the ones I love tackling the most. As you walk through the front door, you land right in the main living and dining area. It's compact, but it has great potential. I'm already thinking about how to define the space while keeping everything open and cohesive. The tricky part? We need to keep a clear pathway along here and along this wall, so furniture placement will be challenging. Add to that, there's only one window, so natural light is minimal. With the gray floors, pale gray walls, the space feels quite flat. My plan is to bring in a light but layered colors palette, cozy textures, and carefully scaled furniture to keep it feeling open yet inviting. Moving along to the kitchen, it's very tight. It's basically gray on gray, cabinets, flooring, and storage is also very limited. It does have a small pantry, but that too is tight. So I will have to get very creative in making it a little bit more functional. So my focus here will be renter-friendly storage hacks and adding a little personality through accessories and styling. It has to be practical, but still stylish. And let's talk about this corridor. Currently, it looks like a bowling alley. It's only about 3 feet wide and super long and very blah. The bathroom, quite utilitarian, but the gray and white color scheme makes it look a little bit clinical. So we're going to have to zhuzh it up. With the right accessories and maybe a few renter-friendly updates, I think I can make this bathroom both stylish and functional. Finally, this bedroom will need to act both as a workspace and a sleeping area. This bedroom might look large on camera, but it's actually only 13 by 14 feet. With multiple doors and windows, furniture placement may be tricky, but I'm up for the challenge. I'll be focusing on maximizing storage while keeping it calm and uncluttered, because even in a small space, you can create that restful, elevated feel. And the laundry space, well, it's not pretty at all. Very utilitarian and lacks storage. So I am going to have to come up with some clever storage solution. Hey, I'm not complaining. It's a luxury to have in-unit laundry in a rental. I already have a few ideas to make it both efficient and aesthetically pleasing. Even though this is temporary housing, I still want it to feel elegant and comfortable for the 6 months we'll be here. My plan is to make it feel sophisticated and cozy. Maximize storage and make it more functional. Also, I want to use as much of my existing furniture as possible and only add versatile pieces that can transition easily into our new home. So make sure to stay tuned for my next video because I'll be showing you how I transform this small rental into a cozy, stylish space with clever storage solutions, renter-friendly updates, and decorating ideas to brighten everything up. There's so much coming that you don't want to miss it. Now let's talk about our new build. A few months ago, we purchased a piece of land that overlooks green space on 2 sides. It's such a peaceful setting. Over the past couple of months, we've watched it take shape from a bare lot to foundation prep, framing, and now exterior sheathing the roof and windows. The house is not a custom home, but because we're building from the ground up, we were able to make a lot of the design and finish selections. I've always loved a high contrast look, so we chose white brick paired with dark framed windows, a dark roof, and dark trim work. Inside, we made thoughtful design choices. We upgraded the materials that are hard to change later and saved on the ones that can be easily updated down the line. When it came to flooring, we considered several options before deciding on a light to medium tone engineered hardwood. We paired that with carpet in a few areas in a similar color for continuity and warmth. That way, there is a cohesive look throughout the space. The cabinetry is a mix of soft off-white and darker painted finishes, and the countertops and tile are in neutral tones for a timeless, harmonious look. All these elements will create a home that is cohesive both inside and out, and spaces that feel bright, calming, and inviting, but with just enough contrast to keep things interesting. This neutral foundational color palette will also let me layer in deeper, more saturated colors in certain rooms later on. But I'll share those details for a future video where I will show you the actual materials in place, share my full design vision, and walk you through how everything comes together. So if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell because the next few months are going to be full of design updates, renter-friendly ideas, and new build progress you won't want to miss. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye for now.